Duryodhan is the best known Kaurava and the shade of evil in Mahabharata. Interestingly, his birth name is Suyodhan, which means a great warrior with good arms. He became known as Duryodhan because of his ferocious and unbeatable nature. Duryodhan actually means the invincible, and he had all the qualities of becoming one until greed and arrogance led to his downfall. The Kauravas were always seen as inferior to the Pandavas because they were born from Dhritarashtra, a blind king. This had a deep impact on Duryodhan's mind and he wanted to make things right. Thus, he chose to be mentored by Shakuni, his maternal uncle. Shakuni had some hidden agendas because of which he helped Duryodhan in devising plots and traps for the Pandavas. When the Pandavas and Kunti came to the castle and lived with them, Bhima often bullied and tortured the Kauravas. Duryodhan was angered by this and he grew hatred for Bhim. Duryodhan was a skilled mace warrior. He was taught the art of mace fighting by Balram. He was unmatched in his skills and only Bhim matched him. When Dronacharya asks what does he see in the pigeon, he says love and affection, which was ridiculed and mocked by all his brothers. Only Arjun says the eyes, the target. This is an example of how his love is ridiculed and replaced by the will to fight and violence. Many traps were laid by Duryodhan to kill the Pandavas and especially Bhim. The most notable one was the burning of the wax palace which the Pandavas managed to escape. He also tried to poison Bhim's meal, but Bhim was saved by Vikarna. The ultimate trap that worked out is the game of dice, which made the Pandavas lose everything. It is also said that Draupadi had once insulted Duryodhan as the blind son of the blind king. This had enraged Duryodhan, and as a result of this insult, he wanted to seek revenge from Draupadi in the game of dice. Before the exile of the Pandavas, the kingdom was equally divided into two parts. Hastinapur was ruled by Duryodhan and the Kauravas, while a forest land called Khandava was ruled by the Pandavas. The Pandavas transformed the forest into a prosperous kingdom with the help of Krishna. This deepened jealousy of Duryodhan and caused a rift among the two. After all the peace talks had failed, Duryodhan and Arjun were given a chance to select between the Narayan army and Krishna himself. Krishna had taken the oath that he would not fight himself but would only be a charioteer. Duryodhan opted for the army, which was later criticized by Shakuni. Shakuni said Krishna is more than an army. The result of the war is very well known. Interestingly, he had golden chance to become truly invincible when Gandhari promised to use her divine vision and make him invincible. Krishna came to know about this idea and convinced Duryodhan to cover his thighs, which later became the point of attack for Bhim. Thus Duryodhan may seem like an arrogant and greedy warrior who always wanted to overthrow the Pandavas, but he too had his own share of injustice and suffering.